Hello friends, welcome to my channel Nammane recipes. Today I'm gonna show you how to prepare Methi Chitranna Gojju. So let's begin the recipe. Firstly, I've placed a pan on a medium flame. I'm adding around 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil. Let the oil get heated. Once the oil is heated up, let's add half a teaspoon of mustard, quarter teaspoon of jeera. Once the mustard and jeera start spluttering, add around 10 to 15 green chilies, slit green chilies, and fry it. Once the chilies are white and light brown, add around 2 to 3 onions which are finely chopped. Friends, the measurement shown here is for 8 to 10 people. You can maximize or minimize the ingredients based on the number of members in your family. Saute the onion until it turns transparent. Once it is transparent, add quarter teaspoon of salt. Later you can adjust it based on the taste. Add garlic. I've added around 10 cloves of garlic which were cut into fine pieces. So the onions should turn golden brown. Till then you'll have to fry it. Meanwhile, add some hing, that is asafoetida, around 2 to 3 pinches of asafoetida, and fry it along with the onions and chilies. Once the onions are golden brown, add carrot. I've added around one big size carrot that was cut into small pieces. So fry it along with the onions. Once the carrot is half cooked, add 1 teaspoon of sambar powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, less than a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon of pepper powder. Friends, it's not mandatory to add all chili powder, pepper powder, green chilies. It's just your choice of taste. So I prefer adding little chili powder, green chili, and pepper so that it gives a good taste for this. So if you are not a spicy lover, you can just skip some of it. Keep sauteing the mixture for a minute or two. After 2 minutes, add less than a quarter teaspoon of sugar. This is also based on your choice. I prefer adding it as it gives a very good flavor to the goju. I'm adding some more salt to adjust the taste. After adding salt, saute it for a few seconds and then add methi leaves. I've taken around one big bunch of methi leaves, so which was already clean and finely chopped. So one more thing to note here, if you don't like methi leaves, instead of methi you can add pudina leaves also. It tastes similar to this. Once the methi leaves are added, it starts giving out some water. So you'll have to fry this until the water completely evaporates. After the methi is fried, squeeze half a lemon. Deseed the lemon before squeezing it. After lemon is added, saute the goju for few seconds. Methi Chitranna Gojju is almost ready. Let's garnish it with some finely chopped coriander and then we'll switch off the flame. Friends, you might have questions like if you add methi, probably it will be bitter. So my answer is if you fry methi properly, it won't turn bitter, and you're adding little sugar, so that balances the taste. So need not worry about it. Methi Chitranna Gojju is ready. You can have this with chapati or you can have this with rice. I prefer having with rice because with rice it tastes really good. Adding little goju to the plain rice and just mixing it. Methi chitrana is also ready. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked it, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.